If you're considering NameSilo for your domain registration and web hosting needs, there are 12 things you need to know before making a decision. Stick around until the end to find out if it's the right fit for you and how it stacks up against the competition. First, NameSilo is known for its low-cost domain registration. It offers some of the best pricing around, especially when compared to giants like GoDaddy or Namecheap. They provide competitive rates, often with no hidden fees, which is a big plus for budget-conscious users. Next, let's talk about their user interface. NameSilo offers a straightforward and no-frills control panel. If you're looking for a platform that gets the job done without all the clutter, this is it. But, compared to more polished options like Bluehost, their interface can feel a bit dated and less user-friendly. The third thing you should know is their domain management tools. NameSilo offers solid features like bulk domain management, advanced DNS settings, and domain forwarding. These tools are perfect for users who need to handle multiple domains, but if you need more advanced features, services like Cloudflare might offer more customization options. The fourth thing is about their customer support. NameSilo has a solid reputation for support via live chat, but it isn't available 24/7 like some of its competitors, such as HostGator or SiteGround. So, if you need immediate assistance, this could be a limitation for you. Moving on to the fifth thing, privacy and security. NameSilo includes free WOIS privacy protection with every domain registration. This is a standout feature, especially when you compare it to services like GoDaddy, which often charge extra for privacy. The sixth thing is their hosting plans. While NameSilo offers hosting, it's important to note that their hosting services are limited in comparison to larger hosts like Bluehost or A2 hosting. Their plans are solid for small to medium-sized websites, but if you need more robust features like faster servers or more customization, you might need to look elsewhere. The seventh thing to consider is scalability. If you plan to grow your website and eventually need to upgrade to more powerful hosting, NameSilo's options are fairly limited. Competitors like Hostinger or SiteGround provide more scalable plans with more features. The eighth thing is about the ease of transferring domains. NameSilo offers an easy domain transfer process, and it's free for most cases. This is especially convenient if you're switching from another registrar. But some competitors, like GoDaddy, charge extra fees for domain transfers. The ninth thing you need to know is their email hosting. NameSilo does offer email hosting as an add-on, but it's not included in their basic plans. If you're looking for a more comprehensive package, platforms like G Suite or Zoho Mail may provide more robust email hosting options. The 10th thing is their uptime and performance. NameSilo performs decently in terms of uptime, but it's not as consistent as top competitors. Hosting providers like SiteGround and Bluehost are known for offering higher uptime guarantees, which can be a crucial factor for your website's reliability. The 11th thing is their payment options. NameSilo supports a range of payment methods, including credit cards and PayPal. However, compared to some of its competitors, they don't offer as many payment options, like cryptocurrency, which could be a deal breaker for some users. And finally, the 12th thing to know is their renewal rates. While NameSilo offers competitive initial pricing, their renewal rates are higher compared to competitors like Namecheap. Be sure to check the renewal prices before committing. So, is NameSilo a good choice for you? It's a great option if you're looking for low-cost domain registration, solid security features, and simple management tools. But if you're looking for more advanced hosting features or better customer support, you might want to explore other options. If you want a better solution with more advanced features, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.